When betrayal strikes and the shadow of the cross looms closer, will the faith survive? Season 6 of The Chosen is about to turn everything upside down with shocking twists, emotional goodbyes, and the ultimate test of loyalty. This is the season fans have been dreading and desperately waiting for. From miracles to Medra, The Chosen is ready to break our hearts and heal over souls all over again. Are you prepared for the most intense chapter yet? Let's dive in because season 6 isn't just a story, it's a reckoning. Get ready because The Chosen season 6 is about to take us on the most gut-wrenching and powerful journey yet. Yes, it's finally happening. The Passion Week is coming to life like never before. The betrayal, the trial, the cross. This isn't just a season. It's a soul-stirring cinematic experience that promises to shake us to the core. Dallas Check-ins has officially confirmed that season 6 is deep into production with filming that began earlier this year and is progressing through some of the most emotionally intense scenes the show has ever tackled. And yes, the crucifixion of Jesus is at the heart of it. The creators have openly said this will be the most difficult season to shoot and the most heartbreaking to watch. The cast has been spotted filming key moments like the triumphal entry into the Jerusalem, the cleansing of the temple, and even private conversations between Jesus and his disciples during the Last Supper. If you thought season 5 had emotional weight, season 6 is about to multiply that by 10. Every glance, every word, every tear, it's all about building towards the moment the world changed forever. And here's the twist you didn't see coming. Dallas has hinted that season 6 may end right at the crucifixion without showing the resurrection just yet. That would leave the audience in absolute silence, holding their breath for the long-awaited season 7, which will take us into the resurrection and early church era. Fans are speculating online that we may get expanded perspectives from characters like Mary, Peter, and John. Moments not directly described in scripture but explored with powerful emotional depth. And in Judas, oh yes, his arc is going to hit hard. No official release date is confirmed yet, but word on the street is early to mid 2026 is most likely. And if you think The Chosen has peaked, think again. Season 6 is about to redefine biblical storytelling forever. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned right here on the Screen Explained TV for all the heavenly updates, behind the scenes scoops, and breakdowns you never want to miss. Until next time, stay faithful, stay curious, and keep watching.